Productions.
It started off with one day. At the mall I met a cute girl. I was with my friends, she was all alone. I introduced myself, we exchanged numbers. I told her she was beautiful, she told me I was handsome. I thought that she was on to me, but no, I was wrong. She told me she was into girls, it kinda turned me on. She never had a boyfriend, so I asked why. She said that she was too afraid to ever trust a guy. Then it got me thinking, do I stand a chance of being the player type? I don't think so, man, but anyway, I didn't care being a bad boy then. So I pretended to be good, just so we could be friends. And I became a friend, yeah, that was the first step. She was so kind to me, it was perfect. Every day texting and calling, and for the first time I realized I was falling. Yeah, like I said before, I was a bad boy, now I had to change. The clue, the girls, the trouble, I threw it all away. I started looking for a job, I had to get paid. I had to treat her nice, put a smile upon her face. Once I got the job, every day working hard, it started changing and time was moving very fast. She said she missed me, we went at the park on my off. Then she kissed me, that's the day we fell in love. It was so right with no reason not to love her. She knew it too, and so she asked me to meet her mother. I was afraid that she wouldn't like me, but she did. She said she wanna see us married and having some kids. Yeah, her mom was very kind, very busy too. She was a business lady, she was getting promoted soon. One day the girl told me to call her cause she had some news. Her mom got promoted overseas, she had to go too.
Every day waiting for you. Don't be afraid. I have loved you a thousand years. I love you for 1,000 more.
I couldn't believe that I had fallen in love with a girl, but now this girl was on the opposite side of the world. I missed her so bad, the first week was killing me. After 1 month she said she was no longer feeling me. I asked her why, but all she did was cry. Respecting her decision, I decided to give it time. They say that time heals anything, but this wasn't just anything. I had visions of giving this girl a wedding ring. I sent her messages, she never messaged me back. I thought, damn, she must have found another man, but I didn't want to give up. I missed her so much, the least thing she could do was just to message me to know what's up. Then one morning came, I got a message from my mom. I opened it up, now listen, this is what it said. Hey, I'm sorry that she never wrote back. It's been a month since she died in a car crash.